If you're into short videos and heard about the Clapper app, you might be wondering, can you actually make money with it? Clapper is a TikTok-style app where you create and share short videos. It promises to pay creators based on views and engagement, kind of like how YouTube pays creators with AdSense. Sounds great if you want to earn while creating content, right? But here's the deal. While Clapper is a real app, most users say the payouts are very low or even non-existent unless you have serious reach. You need a lot of daily views, followers, and consistent uploads to even start making a few bucks. And even then, some people say they never hit the minimum payout. So, should you use it to make money? If you're already creating content and want another platform to share it, yes, sure. But don't expect to replace YouTube or TikTok income anytime soon. Let me know if you use Clapper and how much you've made. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. New reviews drop every week. See you next time.